How to install or reinstall Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can install or reinstall Microsoft Store on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, click on the search icon on your Windows 11 and here search for CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator and open it up. Click on Yes. So once you are here under the command prompt, here what you have to type is WSReset space hyphen and the letter I. Once you do that, press enter in your keyboard. After that, you have to wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So once you wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes, if you go in search and in the search bar, search for Microsoft Store and check if you can find the Microsoft Store installed in your Windows 11 or not. But in case if you cannot find the Microsoft Store installed, even if you wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then what you can do is now you can close this command prompt. This method does not work for you. Now the second method, what you have to do is you have to open a browser in your device. After you open it up, now you have to search for Xbox, download for Windows, then search for it. Now you could head over to the first thing on your interface, that is Xbox PC game. Now what you have to do is you have to download this application. So click on download the app. After that, the download will begin. And once the download is complete, now you have to go to your downloads and then you have to click on the downloaded file and set up Xbox in your device. But if in case if you find an error message saying that you need to update your Xbox, then that means you have to delete your Xbox application that you have already installed. So to delete that, go to your settings in your device and head over to apps. Click on installed apps and here search for Xbox. Once you're here, now you have to delete this Xbox from your Windows 11. So click on uninstall. After you have uninstalled that, now you can close settings, go to your downloads again, and from there now you have to click on the Xbox downloaded file. Once you click on the .exe file, now you have to set up Xbox in your device. And once the installation is complete, open up Xbox. After you open up Xbox in your device, you will have an error message at the top saying that the required application is missing. So if you get such kind of error that says the required application is missing, that means it is missing the Microsoft Store. Now to install it, you have to head over to your profile at the top left and head over to the settings. On the settings, you have to click on app, and under dependencies, you will find an option to install the Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is click on install button next to Microsoft Store. After that, the Microsoft Store will be installed in your Windows 11. Once the installation is complete, now you could search for Microsoft Store in your Windows 11 and you will find it on your Windows 11. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.